This is the demonstration of how we've set up MongoDB in a replica set. I'll start off by showing how we started the Dockers containing the MongoDBs. We created a shell script that does the job for us. It sets up each of the three Mongos, adds them to the replica set, which we called RS0. We put them on different ports because they're running on one single machine, so that's the easiest way we found. We wait for 6 seconds for them to start up, and then using the Mongo shell we run a JavaScript file to configure the replica set. This is the file we run. We set up the configuration of the members in the replica set with the hostname and ports of them. We tell the replica set to initialize with this config. And then finally we start the SkyCave linking the three different MongoDBs. And we also create a stop script which simply looks through the different containers that matches on the daemon and the MongoDBs and then shuts them down. I'll start the script we just saw. You see that it starts by starting the three different Dockers with Mongos on them, and there we saw that the configuration script came back and said OK, and the last line is the daemon starting. And Docker PS shows that there's 3 databases and 1 daemon running. Now if we do a connection through the shell, we can see that we are on the primary. We can do a rs status, where we can see the 3 different databases. We can log on to or use our database and then see if we can find a room which matches PTS2, our group name. We find nothing. In this shell we can try it with the client to connect to the SkyCave. We're logged in. We can look and see we are a PTS test user. We can try dig a room down which says you dug a room. If we try to log in from another shell, we should actually be able to see that we dug a room now from the first shell. And if we try to tell the database to step down, or the primary to step down, first let's take a look at the status. So database 0 is currently the primary. So now we'll tell the primary to step down. There we can see that we are now on secondary instead. So if we do a status again, we get to see which one is the primary now. Now DB2 is the primary. And if we do there, see now it's switched to the secondary as well. So if we do the same lookup from the secondary, or from any secondary, we will see that we are not allowed to do this because we don't have slave OK, which means we are not allowed to basically touch the slaves. We are only allowed to read and write through this master or the primary. But we can see that the SkyCave is still running, which means that it have successfully failed over to the new primary. So that's it for the presentation.